Alright, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this channel which looks at introductory and advanced topics in structural engineering. Today I'm starting off a new lecture series on structural analysis. This will be an introductory course in structural analysis, but there will be many very deep and interesting concepts covered, hopefully. I'll try to cover this lecture series in a matter of 10 videos. We'll start off by looking at some introductory topics, and then we'll dive deeper into some more advanced topics that are in fact more useful and are typically used in some of the commercially available software. In this channel, my goal is to cover different topics in structural engineering. I'm starting off with structural analysis, and hopefully I'll get into structural dynamics, advanced experimental dynamics, earthquake engineering, damping, and high-performance systems. And hopefully, in doing so, I can make a positive contribution to the civil and structural engineering community. In this lecture series, we're going to start off by looking at a review of statics for beams and trusses. We're going to dive into shear and bending moment diagrams, which are super important for a structural engineer to master. We'll talk about influence lines, which are very important anytime you have or you're dealing with moving loads. Different deflection topics will be covered. These include double integration, moment area theorem, and virtual work. We'll then look at the stiffness method, which is a super useful method for you to know, and the flexibility method, which is the inverse of the stiffness method. And lastly, we'll just cover some more advanced examples with the stiffness method. So again, the goal is to make this short, make this course very compact, so you can learn in the shortest amount of time. And I'll hopefully try to cover and do many examples, because I know for a fact that learning is done through examples. And hopefully this lecture series can be positive. Leave any comments or feedbacks that you have in the comment section. I'll read them to the best of my ability and try to incorporate any recommendations you have in my future videos. So I'll see you in the next lecture, and we're gonna look at statics, a review of statics, and I'll see you next time.